In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title of a Google form. A clear, accurate title helps your respondents immediately understand what your form is about and makes it easier for you to organize results later. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can update your form's title in seconds, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your form in Google Forms. You can get there by visiting Google Forms directly or by opening the form from your Google Drive. Make sure you're in edit mode and that you have permission to make changes. If you have multiple tabs open, double-check you're on the correct form to avoid updating the wrong one. Once your form is open, look for the large title text in the main form area. This is the prominent heading near the top center of the page, the one your respondents will see. It's easy to confuse this with the file name that appears in the top left corner of the screen. The file name is for your drive and organization. The big title in the main form area is what your audience will see on the form itself. That's the one we're changing. Click directly on that title in the main form area. When you click it, the text becomes editable. You should see a cursor appear in the text field, indicating you can start typing. If clicking doesn't seem to work, make sure you're not in preview mode and that you're clicking the large title, not the smaller file name at the top left. Now, type the new title for your form. Aim for something short, specific, and descriptive, so people immediately understand the purpose. For example, use clear nouns and a date or term if it helps differentiate versions. Avoid sensitive information or anything too long that might wrap awkwardly on smaller screens. As you type, Google Forms saves automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. When you're done, click anywhere outside the title field to finish editing. A quick note about the file name in the top left. The very first time you change your form's title, the file name may update to match. After that, they're independent, so updating the form's main title won't change the drive file name unless you do it manually. If you don't immediately see your new title reflected, refresh the page to load the latest version. That's it. You opened your form, located the visible form title, clicked to edit it, and typed your new title. With a clear, accurate title, your form will be easier to recognize and more inviting for your respondents.